The U.S. Supreme Court should make a decision by the end of this month on a Grants Pass homeless case that could have consequences all across the country.
In our Oregon in Crisis coverage tonight, for more than a decade, Grants Pass has tried enforcing local encampment laws, banning anyone who sleeps in public from using a blanket, pillow, or cardboard box. Penalties include civil fines and a potential 30-day jail term for repeat offenders. They say they have to crack down on the unsanitary issues and crime that stem from this crisis, but advocates for the homeless say it's criminalizing homelessness. U.S. Supreme Court will rule on Johnson v. Grants Pass, deciding whether prohibiting camping on public property constitutes cruel and unusual punishment prohibited by the 8th Amendment. Volunteers from the Mobile Integrative Navigation Team, who work with the homeless community every day, are concerned if the Supreme Court rules in favor of the city, resources will be diminished and lives will be uprooted.
It's very hard for people living in the parks who often don't have phones, they certainly don't have computers, may not have identification, don't have transportation, to even know about the health care that's available for them, much less access it.
People who are homeless are feeling very anxious about the decision. They say they feel overlooked and judged.
I have 2 kids. Granted, they're teenagers, but it's like, oh my gosh, what would you do? Where would I go? Because this place has become my home.
They say tickets or jail time don't help them find housing, and with a lack of public shelters inside city limits, they have nowhere else to go.